Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SONY ULT FIELD free speaker and I'm going to tell you always to charge your speaker. So at first, for me the best way is to use our power adapter or power brick, as someone calls it. Here we have to prepare a cable that fits our charger, as you can see, like that, and a USB Type-C output. Now we have to plug our power adapter into our power supply. It doesn't really matter how much power our power brick has, it's just the power charging length, and so don't worry. And now we have to open here this shield. Here we have, as you can see, the USB Type-C input I mean, and now as you can see our speaker is charging. Now the second way is to prepare also a phone that supports reverse charging, for example like this Google Pixel 8. Apart from that we have to prepare also a power cable, which is USB Type-C to C, and at first we have to plug our cable into our phone and into our speaker in the same place here. Let me open this again and plug my cable into this port. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.